Welcome to this Unity quick guide. In this video, we will be covering how to build a web chat media stream. Before beginning, it is important to note that media streams are created within queues. For more information about the differences between the two, please see the Unity quick guide on understanding queues and media streams. To create a new media stream, first start within the Contact Center portal. From here, navigate and click on the Queues icon at the top of the screen. This will present a list of all queues associated with your contact center. As media streams are created within a queue, click on the queue you wish to create your new media stream within. This will take you to a contact center dashboard dedicated to the queue you have chosen. As we are creating fresh media streams for this queue, the fields are currently all empty. To continue, click on the Streams icon. Once populated, this page will display a list of all media streams associated with this queue, as well as key information including their live status. To create a new media stream, click on the Add Media Stream button, which will take you to the page where you can create your new media stream from top to bottom.
In the first section, you can input some initial settings choices that will determine the foundation of your new media stream. These initial setting options include setting the name for your media stream, setting the language, choosing the media type. As we are creating a web chat media stream, in this video, we will select web chat. And finally, making a decision on whether or not conversations using your new media stream can be transferred. Enabling this option will allow agents to transfer the conversations to their colleagues. This can be done using a simple toggle function available throughout the media stream creation page. In the second section, you can tailor the availability settings of your media stream. You can start by choosing the time zone for your new media stream. Next, you can choose from a list of in-office profiles, which will govern when the web chat is displayed on your website. For more information, please see the separate tutorial video on how to configure in-office profiles. Users can also choose to enable the Use Last Agent if available option. This means that when a new conversation is received, if the last conversation from the same remote party was reserved by an agent that is currently joined and online, then they will be alerted before other agents in the first routing phase. However, this setting only applies to conversations reserved within the last month. In the web chat configuration section, you can begin by customizing which details the remote party are required to provide in order to begin a web chat. These details include the remote party name, their phone number, and their email address. In addition, users can choose between hiding these information fields or making them a mandatory or optional requirement. When creating your new web chat media stream, you can choose to enable making email transcripts available. By choosing to enable this feature, it allows visitors to request a transcript of their web chat conversation which is delivered to them via a HTML email. This feature is made available to visitors from the web chat widget and will be sent to the visitor automatically unless they specifically opt out. You can also choose whether or not attachments are allowed to be sent via web chat, as well as whether or not to allow web chats to be rated by the visitor. You are also able to activate recording of visitor journeys. By enabling this feature, it means that all of the pages the visitor has viewed prior to initiating the web chat request will be recorded and presented to agents. In this section, you can also choose whether or not to include an external reference field for visitors. If chosen, you can customize exactly what your external reference asks of visitors. For example, we have chosen to make the external reference both mandatory and to ask visitors to specify which company they are associated with. This will then appear as an additional input field for visitors whenever they initiate a web chat. The web chat configuration section allows you to enter a range of pre-made messages that will be automatically presented to visitors based on a series of scenarios. The welcome message is the first message that visitors will receive upon initiating a web chat request. This message can be inputted here within the portal, and once added, will automatically present to visitors when they begin a web chat. This message can also intelligently feed back to customers the expected wait time for an agent to respond. This can be done by adding to your message the phrase "estimated wait time" in brackets. This will then dynamically change the welcome message to display an estimated wait time based on the speed at which the last 10 web chats were answered. You can also input the unstaffed message. This is the message that will automatically be presented to visitors if there are currently no available agents online to respond to their web chat request. Lastly, you can input the missed message. This is the message that will be presented to visitors if their web chat request exhausts the amount of time permitted in the routing phase. In the instance that your web chat is unstaffed or a request is missed, you can input the email addresses of team members you wish to be notified. The email addresses that you add in this section will receive a notification via email whenever a web chat request is missed. This email notification will display all key information regarding the web chat request, including the visitor details, the date, the time, and even a transcript of the visitor's messages. The web chat client branding section provides a comprehensive range of customization options that allow you to truly personalize the look and feel of your web chat and its widget. Please note, whilst completing this section, a demonstration web chat widget will be present in the bottom right corner of the screen. This allows you to see in real time the changes you make to the client branding. Firstly, in this section, you can set the visibility of your web chat widget from a detailed list of parameters. These options include only display during business hours, or only display when an agent is available, so you never have visitors starting a chat when there are no agents to answer them. You can also choose to toggle whether or not you wish to hide the web chat after the conversation is complete. This choice also applies to whether or not you want to hide the web chat widget when the close button is clicked. The primary color menu allows you to choose from a range of colors for your web chat widget. You can choose from a pre-made list or input a custom color hex code that relates to your brand. You can also choose whether or not the web chat window header uses the media stream name or that of the queue, and whether or not to use agent names and avatars when the web chat is reserved. If enabled, this option means that agents can input their own profile pictures and names for an added level of personal touch. The web chat start image selection provides a diverse list of options related to the shape of your web chat widget. The web chat avatar section allows you to choose a default avatar image for your web chat. You can choose from a preset selection of avatars, or alternatively, upload your own custom image. For an additional layer of aesthetic customization, you can choose to invert the start image to flip the primary and secondary colors of the web widget. The web chat window type option enables you to choose how your web chat widget transitions into the full web chat. You can choose between window, which provides a windowed pop-up, or docked, which pops the widget out at the side of the screen. And as you make changes, you will see how the web chat will be displayed on your website. The start and button text options allow you to input custom text that will then appear on your web chat widget. Additionally, you can choose the web chat widget's location on the page, as well as input a custom delay time. After completing each of the web chat creation steps, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add Media Stream button to create your new web chat media stream.
Your new media stream should now be present in the list of media streams. You can then click on the media stream and navigate to the profile icon to revisit the creation page, allowing you to make edits and changes as required. Additionally, for web chats, you can navigate to the bottom of the page and click on the test stream button. This button will generate a JavaScript text block. This can be used to simply copy and paste onto the HTML of any web pages you wish the web chat to be present on. Additionally, you can click the button titled Create Test HTML File to download a HTML file that will allow you to test out your new web chat without it being in a fully live environment. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.